Think it's too late to plant a fall garden? The good news is, you're actually right on time. In fact, many vegetables grow even better as summer begins to cool down. Today, we'll show you what to plant, why August is the perfect time for these vegetables, and a few simple tips to help you succeed. And stay until the end for this week's August garden checklist, a simple guide you can screenshot and take with you the next time you shop for seeds or plants. One of the easiest places to start your fall garden is with leafy greens. Lettuce, spinach, and Swiss chard all enjoy cooler weather, making August a great time to plant them. They also grow quickly, so you'll be harvesting fresh salads while other vegetables are still getting established. You'll also find spring mix seed blends at many garden centers. These are mixtures of several leafy greens that grow well together and are perfect if you enjoy fresh salads. Root crops are another great choice for planting in August. Carrots, beets, and green onions all grow well as the weather begins to cool. In fact, carrots actually taste sweeter when they're grown in cooler weather, making fall one of the best times to grow them. Just remember to keep the soil evenly moist while the seeds are germinating. That simple step gives them the best start. These are some of our favorite vegetables to grow for a fall garden. Broccoli, cabbage, and kale all enjoy the cooler temperatures of late summer and fall. In fact, kale often becomes sweeter after a light frost, making it one of the easiest and most rewarding vegetables to grow this time of year. If you're just getting started, these are excellent choices for your fall garden. We've covered some great vegetables to plant in August, but we're not finished yet. There are still a few more plants that can help your fall garden thrive. And at the end of the video, I'll share this week's August garden checklist, a simple guide you can screenshot and take with you the next time you shop for seeds or plants. Now let's look at a few herbs that are perfect for an August garden. Don't forget to leave a little room for herbs. Basil, dill, and cilantro are all great additions to an August garden. Cilantro and dill actually enjoy the cooler temperatures of fall, while basil will continue producing until the first frost. Fresh herbs are an easy way to add even more flavor to your meals, and they're some of the simplest plants to grow. Before you finish planting, here's one more tip that can make your fall garden even more successful. Flowers aren't just beautiful, they can help protect your vegetables naturally. Marigolds help discourage many common garden pests. Sweet alyssum attracts beneficial insects that feed on aphids. And nasturtiums act as a trap crop, drawing pests away from your vegetables. Adding just a few flowers can help create a healthier, more balanced garden. Here's your August garden checklist. Feel free to pause the video and take a screenshot so you'll have it handy the next time you're shopping for seeds or plants. Remember, planting dates can vary depending on where you live, so be sure to check your local planting calendar for the best timing in your area. August may feel like the end of summer, but it's really the beginning of a whole new gardening season. You don't have to plant everything we talked about today. Even adding one or two vegetables can give you a wonderful fall harvest. The most important thing is simply to get out into the garden, enjoy the process, and keep growing. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoy simple gardening tips after 50, we'd love to have you subscribe and join us here at Blueberry Hill Creatives. We're here to help make gardening feel easy, more peaceful, and a little less overwhelming. Until next time, start small and keep it simple.